What's up, guys? It's the boy AG, man. I know y'all excited. I know y'all been missing me. Don't lie. Y'all been missing me. I know y'all been missing me. Today I'm coming back on the vlog, man. I've been grinding. I've been MIA. I do want to thank you guys for 100 subscribers on YouTube. I really appreciate the support, and I can't be more excited than to let you guys know that we have picked up the front set of wheels for the Mustang. So yeah, shout out to Anthony Laguardia from StreetCarPerformance. Went ahead and gave him a call, sent the wire. A couple days later, look what showed up. So we did pick up the Laguna fronts in a 20-inch. We did also pick up a Mickey Thompson street comp tire. Yeah, man, as you can tell, man, I'm happy, I'm excited. I'm a little bit sick, but nonetheless, I'm ready to do this video. We're gonna go ahead and hit up Omar over at West Coast Wheels. Just like the last video, y'all know I keep it very local. I like to keep it, you know what I mean? That's how we keep it. So yeah, we're gonna load up the tires right now, load up the wheels. We're gonna head on over to West Coast Wheels and throw these puppies on. I hope you guys are happy. Hope you guys are excited for a new video. If you can, drop me a like and a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Fuck going, pieces on my neck that barely call me nothing. Treat these rats like it ain't shit, cause I know it gon' keep coming. All these paper cut, shit hurt in my thumb, but I keep thumbing. They don't play.
Tires are loaded up, wheels are loaded up. It's an exciting day. Man, this weather feels good though. Yeah, I mean, let's get it. You see the fit is fire. Tommy Bahama shirt, shout out my girl. Hollister jeans.
Turn around.
Oh yeah. Back of the shirt, fire. Yeah, I mean, I don't got a haircut, but I'm finna hit up Bevel Blends later on this week. We got the Vans, old school. That's how we do it. We're heading down to Omar's, but man, I gotta wake up. I gotta grab me some coffee. It ain't a real vlog if you're not grabbing coffee. You know what I mean? You always gotta grab you some coffee. Fresno traffic been getting progressively worse and worse every year. Alright, we just got to Omar's, aka West Coast Wheels and Tires. You know what I mean? If you ain't tapped in with them, tap in with them. We're gonna do the live unboxing real quick. I present to you guys. What up? Got that boy Omar. Yeah, y'all know Omar, man. Y'all already know him from the last episode. So yeah, bro, coming back round two. We got the fronts. We ready to get mounted up. We about to do the unboxing right quick. Show these motherfuckers what we working with. We got the 20s. Ooh, y'all ready, chat? Y'all ready? Hey, cameraman, come on. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, bigger lip on the front. Jeez. Yes, sir. Shout out StreetCarPerformance for hooking me up, man. I really appreciate that. Y'all showing love on the build. But we got kind of West Coast wheels to get them mounted the right way, you know what I mean? Hell yeah, bro. I tried to show up earlier.
Okay, Super Bowl ring, we bought it all, we won a championship. Everybody got something to say when I ain't even asking shit. Bunny rabbit blow, take a brick and do a magic trick. 100 rest of show, get on the stage and do a backward flip. Yeah.
We got the other wheels off. I'm about to throw on the rears. Shit is sketchy though, cause I don't want to scratch my Brembos. Sketchy, y'all. That's why when people don't torque their wheels, I'm like side-eye, cause the fuck, I could never not torque my wheels. That shit is, you're literally playing with your life, bro. You could buy a torque wrench at Harbor for like 100. Like, bro, you're that cheap. Ain't gonna save 100 when you're paying 20 grand for a funeral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got one right here. I'll tell you that much.
What did I miss? Let's go. Hey, let's go, let's go. Hey, let's go, let's go. Hey, let's go.
Alright guys, this is the official reveal right here. I wanted to give you guys a look at how the Mustang turned out. We got a detail, got the car all shined up. I really want to thank Anthony from StreetCarPerformance. I'll be tagging him in the description for all your wheel needs. If you need some drag packs for the rear or anything, feel free to hit him up. I also want to thank West Coast Wheels and Tires on Blackstone. Shout out my boy Omar. I really appreciate the help, brother. Overall, I really feel like the Mustang is coming together. It's looking real nice all around. We're gonna go ahead and take some photos, take some content for TikTok and Instagram. Yeah, guys, just want to thank everyone who's been supporting me. Feel free to drop a like and a subscribe if you like this video. I'll be dropping a lot more content. I do have a spoiler on the way, a couple extra goodies, but other than that, man, I think these are the last upgrades for this season. Appreciate you guys. You guys have a good day.
Yeah, niggas get punched in the face with some TLC shit on the dead guys. Some TLC shit cause my